Hello everybody, how are you today? Today I want to show you two things, two very important things for our Canvas class. The first thing is how to submit an assignment. All right, so once you log into Canvas, you will go directly here. This is the home page. So of course, please read the assignment for today. In today's video, we are here, it's Wednesday, January 6th. So read the announcement for today in case there's important information, and then you can start the coursework or the classwork for the day. Okay, so here we are in week 1, January 4th to 7th, and today is Wednesday, January 3rd. Sorry, January 6th, week 1, day 3. So click there, click on that module. And here we have the coursework from today. Okay, here are the answers from yesterday's coursework on pages 6 and 11 in the textbook, and then you can start the work for today. Okay, so here, read this. Today's coursework, there are 8 things to do in today's coursework or classwork. You will study capital letters and continue to practice the be verb. Make sure to click on this box and scroll down to see all 8 things. So you're scrolling down, you're going down, down, down. There's a video to watch today. There is a document to read today. There's an exercise in the textbook to do today. There's an exercise in the workbook to do today. There is another practice capital letter quiz. And then at the bottom, here we go. Number 8, the most important thing for today, do the assignment, which is like homework. Okay, so the assignment every day is just like homework for you. And submit to Shauna, so give it to me. Finish it before Friday, January 8th at 11:59. Click on the link to see the assignment. So now here is your assignment. So click for today's assignment. Here it is. So you can read the directions first. First of all, look to see when is it due? Friday by 11:59. How many points? 10 points if you finish it. And then here are the directions. Okay, there are 2 parts to the assignment. This will take you 2 hours. Here it explains about part A. You will do page 3 in your workbook. And then in part B, you're going to take a capital letters quiz. So to start this assignment, you go here and click Submit Assignment. And here you can see the directions again. And here is where you will write. You will follow the directions. Okay, so part A, page 3 in your workbook. So you have page 3 in your workbook, which is here. Okay, so on page 3, you're going to see the questions, and then you can type your answers here, and you can type in here, part A, page 3. And please also type in the numbers. It'll make it easier for me to grade. Okay, so number 1, here's your answer. I'm a student. This is all about contractions. Don't forget your period there. Number 2, what's the answer? You're from Spain. Don't forget capital letter for a country, S, Spain, period. And so on. So you're just going to do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then part B, let me move up here, part B. What are the directions for part B? You're going to take this capital letters quiz and tell me your score. So let's say you took it, and you can just say, I got, for example, 8 out of 8 on my practice quiz. Okay, and when you do part A and part B, if you want, you can highlight and bold, highlight and bold. Okay, if you want. You don't have to, just if you want. And then submit, and you are finished for your assignment. Now, often I will give you a comment. I will tell you something about your assignment. So to check my comment and to check your grade, go here. Over here on the left, in the left menu bar is grades. Click on grades and look at this. So here are your 3 assignments. Uh-oh, this one is missing. I did not do assignment 1. The score is out of 10. Oh, I finished number 2, assignment 2, and look, I got 10 out of 10. Yay, 100%. Look here, you see the icon? That means Shauna made a comment. So click on the icon, and here you can see my comment. Great job, thank you. All right, if you want, you can click here again if you want to see your assignment again. Okay, and if you Oh, there's nothing here. Here it is. Here we go. So here, if you want to change this, if you want to do it again, you can resubmit. Re means again. So resubmit, click there. But if you resubmit, this will go away. This will disappear. You cannot see this again. Maybe if you want to be able to see, you can just take a picture and then you can resubmit, resubmit assignment. So again, click on submit assignment. So here you can add something. Sorry, I forgot. Where is it here? Sorry, I forgot this part. And then you can just send me a message and then submit again. Okay, so that's it for today. Please ask me if you have any questions. Thank you guys.